unwind, shuffle. Leave with the right. Step forward, cross behind. Step forward, cross behind. Unwind, shuffle, left, right, left. Yeah, that was it. You did perfect. You got it. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 behind, 2, forward, 3, forward, 4 behind, 5 unwind, 6, shuffle, left, right, left. We're going to rock forward, right, 1. Replace the weight back on the left, 2. We're going to turn right, a half turn shuffle, 3 and 4, right, left, right. But now we're going to prep and turn left, opposite of what we just turned. Weight is on the right. We'll step forward left, but now we're turning left, counterclockwise, stepping back right, stepping side left. You're facing the bar, clap your hands. So you get a little break. You got to hold on 8 with a clap. Let's come forward. So that's a little bit different because you're rocking, you're turning right, and then you step and turn left, step side, clap. So you're rocking, turn and a half, and then you're prepping and turning 3/4. We're going to go slow. Take it from the rock forward right. Ready, in. Rock forward right, replace, half, cha, cha, cha. Step forward left, turn left, step side, clap. Come forward, let's try it again. So remember, you're turning right, you prep and turn the other way. You're traveling towards 6 o'clock there. Rock forward right. Ready, in. Rock, replace, half, cha, cha, cha. Prep forward, turn left, step side. All right, come forward, even more forward than you were before. Don't be shy. Get a little closer. Now don't be shy. I'm going to slow it down. Rock forward right 1. Replace 2. This is a half shuffle right, 3 and 4. That puts the weight forward on the right. Now, we are going to move towards 6 o'clock, which is where we're facing now, with a step forward left. Now, that's your left, and you're turning left now, stepping back right, turning left, stepping side left. Clap your hands. Come forward. We're going to keep practicing this, so you're going to have to keep coming forward so we can rock and go back. Rock forward right. Remember, you're turning right, then you step left and turn the other way, left. Ready, in. Rock forward, replace, half, cha, cha, cha. Step forward, turn left, step side. You're getting it. Come on, let's do it again. Ready, rock forward. 1, 2, half, 3, prep forward left, then turn left. Step side left. All right, face 12 o'clock. Let's take it from the top, see how we do. The rest of the dance is really easy, seriously. This is the hard part. Lock forward, ready with the right. Forward, cross behind, forward, forward. Reach behind, unwind, shuffle left. Rock forward right, turn right a half, shuffle. Prep forward left, turn left, step side left. Wow. Let's try it again. See if that was luck or skill. Lock it forward. Ready with the right. Step, lock, step, step. Behind, unwind, shuffle left. Rock forward. Turn a half, shuffle. Prep and turn left. 5, turn 6, step 7. How's it looking, John? You doing good? One more time, and then we're going to add 5, 6, ready, step, lock. 1, 2, 3, forward, 4, behind. 5, turn and shuffle, then rock forward right. Turn a half, shuffle, then prep and turn left. 5, 6. We're going to shuffle forward, step, half, pivot. Shuffle forward, stomp, stomp. We're going to leave it right. Ready, shuffle forward right. 1, step, half, pivot. 3, shuffle forward left. 5, 2 stamps to the right. And you can give it the arms if you want to get funky with it, right? 2 stamps to the right. Yes? Let's try this wall. Same 8 count. Shuffle, half, pivot, shuffle, 2 stomps. Ready with the right. Shuffle, pivot a half, shuffle forward left. 2 stamps. Let's add that. Face 12 o'clock. 5, 6. Lock it forward. 1, 2, 3, forward, 4 behind. 5, turn 6, shuffle left. Rock forward right. Half shuffle, prep and turn left. Shuffle forward right, pivot a half. Shuffle forward left, 2 stamps. One more time before we give you the last 8 count. 5, 6, lock it forward. Forward, behind, forward, forward. Behind, unwind, shuffle left. rock forward half, shuffle, then prep and turn left. 5, 6, and shuffle forward right. Pivot half and shuffle forward left. 2 stamps. Face 12 o'clock. So you just did 2 stamps. You're going to step back, hitch, rock, replace, step, half, pivot. That's the last A count. Right? So you just stamp the right twice. Step back, right, hitch your left, clap, back, clap, and hitch. Rock back, replace, step, half, pivot. Try it again. You did the 2 stamps. No weights on that right. Back and hitch, rock back, replace, pivot half. Ready with the right. Step back, hit your left, back, hit your right. Rock back, replace, pivot half. Step, half, pivot, yeah. Let's try to add that from the top. 5, 6, now lock it forward. Right, left, right behind, unwind, shuffle left. Rock forward, turn a half. Prep and turn left. 5, 6, shuffle forward right. Pivot a half, shuffle forward left, 2 stamps, back and hitch twice. Back right, back left, rock back, replace, step, half, pivot. We may do that again. So remember the beginning is forward, behind, forward, forward, then behind, unwind. Try it. Ready, in, forward, behind, forward, forward, behind, unwind, shuffle left, rock forward right. Turn a half, shuffle, prep and turn left. Step side, clap your hands, shuffle forward right. Pivot a half, shuffle forward left, 2 stamps, back with the right and hitch. Back with the right, hitch your left, rock back right. Pivot a half, 7, 8. One more time from this wall. Actually, let's try 2 walls, see what happens. 5, 6, lock it forward. 1 behind 2, 3 forward 4, behind 5, turn 6, 7 and rock. 1 half shuffle. Lock it, turn it back, shuffle forward right. Pay no attention to me. Shuffle, 2 stamps to the right, then back with the right. Back right, rock back right. Step, half, pivot. Step, lock, step, behind, unwind, shuffle forward left. Rock forward right, half shuffle. Turn it back to 6. Shuffle forward right. Pivot a half. Shuffle forward. Stamp your right twice, then step back on the right. Back right. Back left. Rock back on the right. Pivot half. Stay right there. I'm coming over.